In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your mobile menu, also known as the hamburger menu, for the mobile site of your Wix website. Mobile navigation is essential for an optimal user experience, and a functioning menu is crucial to this. So if you're facing issues with your mobile menu not appearing as it should, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process to resolve this issue. Sometimes Wix might hide some of your elements to ensure your site appears clean and uncluttered. Our first step will be to check if your menu icon is hidden. Let's navigate to the left side of your screen and select the option titled Hidden on Mobile. When you click on this, it will reveal a list of all the elements on your page that are currently hidden when viewed on a mobile device. Take a good look at this list and see if your mobile menu icon is sitting there. If you find it, don't hesitate to click on Show. This action should make your mobile menu icon visible again. However, there's a chance that even after clicking Show, your icon might still not appear as expected. If this happens, it signals that another issue might be at play. One possible problem could be that your icon blends into the background color of your menu strips. This happens when the icon shares the same or a similar color with the strip, making it practically invisible. To fix this, consider either changing the icon's color to make it stand out or moving it to a strip with a different color for better contrast. Another common reason your menu icon might be hidden is if it's layered underneath the strip itself. When elements overlap on your site, they can sometimes get buried under others. To check if this is the case, right-click on the mobile menu icon. From the menu that appears, select Arrange, and then choose the option Bring to Front. By doing this, you'll ensure that your menu icon is sitting on top of other elements, making it visible and accessible for your visitors. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issues with your mobile menu. Ensuring all elements are visible and accessible on your mobile site not only enhances user experience, but also helps in maintaining the overall functionality of your site. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to assisting you with more tips and tricks to optimize your Wix website.